Hey, what's up, y'all? Man, I just want to tap in, man, the day after the event, man, and just really give everybody thanks and praise, man, for supporting me this far. However that support came from, encouragement, motivation, liking my comment, commenting on it, sharing it, whatever that looks like, you know, it all adds up and it means a lot. I was just reflecting on 10 years ago, I would have gave anything to be where I'm at right now. I got into a shop that had no walls in it, no ceiling in it. Somebody gave me an opportunity they believed in me enough to say, yeah, you could get this spot for free for 6 months. Fix it up. I won't charge you nothing. And once you get it going, we'll work it out. Like, without somebody giving me that opportunity, I would never be here right now. You know, like I said, I would give anything 10 years ago to be in this spot, building these machines, progressing this far along with my vision. That much sweat, that much sacrifice, like going all in several times. I can't even count all the times that I didn't pay rent because I needed to buy metal because I believed in the idea and I wanted to work something out, knowing that the universe was going to provide in some form or fashion, and it always did. That's just what I base my life on every day. And it's hard for me to explain that to somebody that doesn't practice that, but I'm just happy to be an example and some type of inspiration for anybody that's trying to get their idea, get their business going. I was scrolling through the timeline right now and I can see some people that were doing their mobile shop, starting from that grind. I understand that, I feel that, like that hits to my soul and my core because my mind is not far from there. I'm still running. And I feel like every time I look back, that place where I started is right there. And so it just keeps me moving. It keeps me going every day to not give up, knowing that people are looking for me to win. This week, I heard so many people tell me, you got this, you're gonna win, this is yours. That means a lot. That's a lot of encouragement, man. That's a lot of belief from people. So there's no way I can stop. No way I can quit. There's a lot more things coming my way. A lot more people to meet, a lot more shirts to print, a lot more fractals to make. And you know, I'm just blessed to be here. So thanks for voting for me. Thanks for cheering me on. Don't ever think that I take it for granted. I'm so humbled. Swin Da is somebody that the people made. I didn't make myself, y'all made me, and I appreciate it. And I'm gonna keep doing what I do.